it's an adventure. Adventure's supposed to be fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
And when you're dealing in adventure, how cool is that?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. I mean, there is. I mean, we sell physical objects and we sell a service and a build, but ultimately you're providing an escape and a lifestyle, right? And that's really what it comes down to, right? And I think the ultimate goal is to just get some reprieve from your everyday and just some happiness, right? Like, that was awesome. Some awesome memories, right? And that's really our goal, right? It's just get people outside. This country's got an incredible amount of public land and space that we can use responsibly. And it's amazing what you can do and where you can go, right? And so people are catching on to that, and they're recognizing that, and people are looking for ways to unplug.